Okay. Keep gonna go all the way back. Go back, right? Go back. Like, oh, oh, excuse me. Am I in the middle of something, right?
Then make your lines up from there.
Okay. Oh, excuse me, am I interrupting something? No, nothing, actually. Actually, nothing. What do you need, sir? Sir? You just pause. Oh, what do you mean, ma'am? I needed to ask you a question. Oh, yes, sir. Ma'am! No, I'm tired. Oh gosh. I'm ready. Ready? Yeah. No, yes, oh, am I interrupting something? No, sir, you're not. Sir! Go back and do it again. One more time. I'm gonna say ma'am this time. Okay, you better. What do I say? Say, am I interrupting something? I'm like, no, sir. What? Yes, ma'am. What do you need me to do? Be like, go blah, 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 right? And I grab the camera, and then you're trying, and you're loving Debbie on my boyfriend. Oh, stop it. Am I interrupting something? No, ma'am. I'm sorry. What do you need me to do, ma'am? I need you to go get my purse. Yes, ma'am. I'll be right back. Oh, give me the camera. No, don't move my phone, because I have to come and get it, and then you're lovey-dovey on my boyfriend.
Oh, don't say that.
Oh, I gotta go get your purse. Do you know where my purse is? Okay, thank you. I hope this starts. Oh! Ma'am, I got your purse. Thank you. Excuse me. Oh, I was telling him that he had something on his nose. Okay, I'll be right back. I have to use the bathroom.
Okay.
I'm sorry, am I interrupting something with my boyfriend? I had to get my cell phone. No, you're not interrupting anything. No meeting or anything? No. Alright, I'll just go to the bathroom again. I have to go. And then I'm recording this all. Alright, bye. Gotta go lovey-dovey on it.
I just love you. You're so handsome. Oh, yes, you are. Yeah. Yeah. But you're just so sweet. Yeah, you should be over here anyway.
I'm not here.
Yes.
I'm here. Alright.
Yes.
And I work out of the room.
Bye.
Hi, here's the camera. Oh, hi. Yeah. You're so amazing. Oh, she forgot her purse. Oh well. It's trash anyway. Yeah. You're so cute. Can you excuse me for a moment? Alright, bye.
Hi. I just love you. So handsome. Oh, yes, you are. Yeah.
for you. Do you like my boss? Of course not. Right. No, I don't love you. Whatever. Alright, bye. Alright, I have to talk to you. I know, right there. Yes, ma'am. I have one question for you. Are you cheating on my husband with me? No, why would you ever think that? Just asking. Yeah. Alright, cause, where's this? I heard you talking to him in an inappropriate way other than business. I don't know what you're talking about. Oh, you don't, do you? No, I don't.
Bye. I just love you. Your phone?
That is your voice. No, you're having me mistaken for somebody else. You were in there with him. No, I think you're forgetting things. Alright, goodbye. Have a nice day. My boyfriend. Alright. And you didn't see me. And I'm like, alright, look, I can't see it. And then I got your boyfriend. What? You're just like making out with my boyfriend and stuff. But you're not, you still can't. Let the games begin. Alright now. And then I leave. Ryan. That's my boyfriend. What? Yeah, love you. Fine. What do you think? Alright, go. Hi, Brian. I just think you're so adorably cute. Yeah, I was thinking maybe we can get dinner sometime. Yeah? Okay. Thanks. Bye.